Yo, what up y'all? This is Zeshin. I just want to make a video today to talk about grooves and just do a little bit of a tutorial because I think this is a really important concept in breaking all sorts of dances, top rocking. And sometimes it gets overlooked, you know, so basically a groove, right? It's just the way that you keep time with your body, okay? Simple. And it's the thing that makes you look like you're dancing, you know, as opposed to just an exercise or any other type of movement. Like, it's your groove, right? This is what makes it look like the rhythm is in your body and you're really feeling it. And sometimes this is missing, and people who are just learning how to dance, their top rock, it looks kind of awkward or not really very funky. So I'm going to break down just very basic principles of the groove. Okay? What makes things look like a dance, what makes things look like the groove, comes from the core of the body, you know? So it's going to be your hips, right? Your knees, your chest, your shoulders, as opposed to, you know, just your limbs. It's going to come from the core, all right? And the way you groove is very simple movements, and anything you do to keep time. One of the first things that people do, you know, just head nod, okay? And then as you let that same motion kind of go down to the rest of your body, you already know how to groove, you know, it's very simple, right? So just to break it down, right, different types of grooves. A very simple one is an up-down, okay? So, 2, down, the knees, my head, right, up and down, okay? You can also go side to side, right? Right, side to side. You can mix the two. Now I'm going to do an up and down groove with the side to side groove. Right? So, in breaking and top rock especially, there's a front to back. Okay? Just simple, just 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? A front to back groove with the down groove, okay? Change the music up real quick. Down, right? What you do with your hands, follow the rhythm of the groove. And I haven't even taken a step. Okay? So when you incorporate your top rock, right, something simple, the difference you can see when I add the groove, right? From the side. Even the side step, this one, right? You know, without the groove, with the groove. And this is a front to back with a side, right? With a side to side. So, but I'm also adding this part. So, side. Okay. Core movements, head, shoulders. But the basic principles is just still variations of side, right? Twist, 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 down, try sometimes is try not to even do top rock steps and just groove. How well can you dance up top without even doing the step, right? Grooves. Because then when you add the steps in, right? Right? So that's just a little bit I wanted to share with y'all. Chilling with the grooves and keep practicing, you know what I'm saying?